Welcome to this overview of PRINCE2 project management. Let's explore how to manage projects in a controlled environment. PRINCE 2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments. It's a structured project management methodology. Ready to learn the ins and outs of PRINCE2? Let's dive right in. Projects can fail due to lack of clarity, planning, and uncontrolled changes. Ignoring risks, poor communication, and a lack of responsibility are common project pitfalls. PRINCE2 offers a universal and adaptive methodology suitable for any industry. PRINCE2 focuses on business justification and control throughout the project. Let's explore the foundation of success, the 7 PRINCE2 principles. Business justification, learning from experience, and defined roles are key principles. Let's continue with managing by stages and exception. Focusing on products and tailoring to the environment are crucial for project success. The 7 PRINCE2 themes focus on aspects of management, like the business case and organization. Business case, organization, quality, and plans are essential management themes. We'll now cover risk, change, and progress. Managing risk, change, and progress are vital for project management. PRINCE2 processes create a structured flow of actions from start to finish. These processes ensure the application of principles and themes and decision-making at each stage. Let's look at a practical example of PRINCE2 in action. Consider developing an online course and using PRINCE2 to manage it effectively. Let's test your understanding. Imagine a project and how you'd apply a principle. Organizing a friend's birthday party and dealing with constant changes illustrates a key principle. Reflect on areas in your life or work lacking a controlled environment. Where do you feel a lack of control? Which PRINCE2 principle or theme could help? PRINCE2 provides structure, focuses on business value, and offers transparency. Enjoy the benefits of transparency, accountability, and predictability with PRINCE2. Define your project and choose one PRINCE2 principle to apply. Try it this week, then share your experience and what you learned in the comments.